Perfect.
Phonemic awareness is the ability to perceive and manipulate individual sounds. It is essential for successful phonics instruction and for learners to be able to use phonics to identify words as they read and to spell words as they write. Phonemic awareness must be learned through reading and writing. It's not just acquired naturally. The National Reading Panel has identified 6 tasks for phonemic awareness assessment and instruction: phoneme isolation, phoneme identity, phoneme categorization, phoneme blending, phoneme segmentation, phoneme deletion. You can ask your learner to complete these tasks to see if there is a need for you to work on developing phonemic awareness. You can use these same tasks for phonemic awareness practice either with or without letter or word cards.
So Jonathan, we've been working on the sounds that individual letters make. And the reason that we do that is so that it becomes automatic for you. When you see a letter, you know the sound that it makes. So we've been practicing the sounds that letters make. So now I'm going to give you the sound and you're going to tell me what word it makes, okay? Okay. All right, so the first word is d-a-b.
Dab.
Dab, correct. What word is r-a-d?
Rod.
Rod, good. And what word is p-a-t?
At.
Pat, good. And what word is r-a-n?
Wrong. Ron.
R-a-n.
Run.
Good, run. How about b-a-g?
Bug.
Bug, good. How about t-i-n?
Tin.
Tin, perfect. How about l-e-d?
Ed. Lead.
Lead, good. So what word is k-a-p?
Cup.
Good. How about m-a-t?
At. Mat.
Mat, good. How about b-e-t?
Beat.
Beat, perfect. How about t-i-m?
Tim.
Tim, good. How about r-i-p?
Ip. Rip.
Rip. How about h-g?
Hug.
Hug, good. And s-a-k?
Sack.
Sack, perfect. B-l-a-b.
Bull. Blog.
B-l-a-b.
Bull.
That was it.
Blob.
Flub, there you go, you got it. How about d-r-a-b?
App.
Drab, perfect, drab. How about b-u-k?
Book. Book.
Book, good. So tell me what word is t-oy?
Oi. Toy.
Toy, good. And how about p-a-n-d? P-a-n-d.
Pond.
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 Right, perfect. Okay, so here's another way we can practice our sounds of letters, okay?
Okay.
I want you to tell me what word is d-a-b.
D-a-b. Dab.
Dab, right. How about r-a-d?
R-a-b. Rob.
R-a-d.
R-a-d. Rod.
Perfect. And how about p-a-t?
Pat.
Perfect. Pat.
Thanks.
You got it.
You have just seen a learner and a tutor practicing phonemic awareness tasks. This type of focused practice should take up no more than 20 minutes of any given lesson. You can ask your local literacy program or an adult literacy listserv for advice on curriculum choices that provide structured, sequential practice.